What's up, cleaning family? It's Carolyn Orlano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you how myself and one of my teams deep cleaned a 7-Eleven location of ours. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. So we are doing a move-in cleaning for a brand new 7-Eleven customer of ours. This actually used to be a Speedway location. So again, this is a deep clean / move in, move out. We are working section by section. The first area that we worked was the cooler. Now the cooler had a lot of mold on the walls, on the ceilings. We had to move all of the shelving to make sure to clean all the walls, the floors, the baseboards, and the ceiling areas. We then ended up pushing all of these pieces back and then cleaning our way out of the freezer. Now, once we're out of the freezer area, this takes us to this back office area. So we do clean in sections and we always clean our way out of a facility. So that's why you see this team working together. They went ahead and did the freezer and then they did that area. Then we're going to clean exactly how I'm walking. You see, we have somebody else working toward the middle, and that's where they're going to meet. Now here are the bathrooms. They are pretty dirty. We're going to be washing the walls, washing the doors, washing the baseboards. So again, this isn't a regular cleaning. These bathrooms are so dirty. So they are all done in this cooler. They clean the whole entire ceiling, all of the walls, free of mold, the door. We also cleaned underneath all of the racks, which looks great. We washed the ceilings. We disinfected the walls. Okay. We got underneath all the racks. And now the ladies are working on the front of here. Look at how beautiful these walls look, you guys. Yes. We are at it, you guys, finally in the main store area. It's about 3 p.m. Eastern Standard, and we are still at it. All right, you guys, so here's the final walkthrough, and I will give you guys a idea of exactly how many hours this took. As soon as we are out of here and I get home to edit this video, I will give you guys the total amount of time it took to clean this joint. I showed you guys the freezer earlier when it was finished. We mopped the walls, mopped the ceilings, did all the high dusting, mopped the walls, cleaned the exterior of all the machines. We cleaned the interior windows. We ended up covering all of this when we were doing the high dusting. Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video. We cleaned inside the cooler, we cleaned outside the cooler. We got as much dust and dirt off as possible. We vacuumed the floors. It looks so good, you guys. We're just going around and picking up stuff. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. It looks new. Se ve nuevo. Sin la carpeta. So we finished this back area. We did the walls, the ceilings, the doors. We scrubbed that. So this is the back area. Sorry. We cleaned all of the cabinets, the floors, the walls. Came out very, very nice. And then we did this whole area. All top to bottom cleaning, you guys. Even the ceiling. This was the biggest deep cleaning of a 7-Eleven I've ever done. I'm so proud of myself. I'm proud of my team. These amazing cleaners and women. Oh my God, they're so awesome. I love these. And then this is what the front looks like. We did all the high dusting, got rid of all these years worth of cobwebs, cleaned the crap out of the glass. Well, cleaning family, I do want to say that this deep cleaning of this particular 7-Eleven was more like a move-in, move-out clean. So it used to be a Speedway location. We came in, gave it a thorough top to bottom move-in / deep cleaning, and we did our very, very best. We were a team of 6 people. 2 of us were there from 9 a.m. to 12 noon alone, and then another group of 4 came and helped us from 12 noon to about 7 p.m. In total, it took about 48 hours to clean that location between 6 people. So we did get it done in one day, and we only charged the client about $2,700 to do this cleaning, which equates to about $50 or $55 an hour for every hour that we were there. I had originally quoted the client about $2,100 for the deep cleaning. It wasn't until about halfway through that I realized that we were going to need a lot more additional time, and I immediately contacted the client. I let them know the situation. I let them know of the additional time that we needed and the additional cost for us to be able to get their store up to the level of cleanliness that they were looking to achieve. And of course, the client approved that quotation. They were happy to pay us the extra money because they understood how much actual work went into the cleaning. I hope you guys found this video informational and educational. Until next time, cleaning family.